A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Question. You ever have something yet and think say it really good, and then somebody come and take it away and give you something better? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you see, if you're not subscribed yet, no, it's a good time. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself. Today, me I go read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 8, from verse 1 to verse 13. Now, this are the main sitting we are say. We have one leader for priest where they sit down on the right hand side of God's throne up in heaven. And him walk as the leader for the priest them in the most holy place with God there. That tent there are the real tent. And the Lord put that up. And a man. Every leader for priest have to give offering plus burnt sacrifice give God. So that one yeah, did have to have something for give God too? No. If him did upon earth, he wouldn't turn leader for priest at all. Cause you don't have leader for priest already. We give the offering with the last if you give. Them walk as leader for the priest them in a tent we look like where they are heaven. But them the tent they can't really come close to the one where they are heaven. No sir. Them they come in like a shedder for the real thing. As so come God did warn Moses when him did bout for make the tent for people come worship him. God said, make sure say you make everything just like what me show you on the mountain. But now, the work where Jesus get for do, that wholly bigger than the priests them own. Like how him come between God and we, and make one better deal with God for we. And the plan there, promise we some better something too. Cause if nothing ain't wrong with the first plan, God wouldn't go make one another one. But God did see say the people them did a do wrong. Them never follow the first plan. So him said to them, say, watch it. The time a come, the Lord say, when me a go make one new promise with the Israel people them. And me a go make one new promise with the people them of Judah too. It now go come in like the promise when me did make with them father them, when me did take them on and lead them out of Egypt. Cause them did broke the promise and they listen when me say. So me turn away from them. And that the Lord say. But now, after them day, this are the new promise when me a make with the Israel people them. The Lord say. Me a go put me law them in a them head. And me a go write them down upon them heart. Me a go be feed them God, and them a go be feed me people them. Nobody now go have to teach them neighbor again. Or them brother or sister them say them fi know the Lord. Cause everybody are gonna know me already. From the littlest one to the top of top. Cause me I go treat them good and kind and pardon them for all the wicked sitting them where them do. Me nah remember them sin. Me I go forget them. When the Lord say the promise we make our new one, it means say the first one nah use again. And if it nah use and I get old, then it's soon gone and done for. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.